Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out your W-4 claiming zero. The W-4 form is crucial for determining how much federal income tax your employer withholds from each paycheck. By claiming zero, you're instructing your employer to withhold the maximum amount of tax, which can help prevent underpayment and often leads to a larger refund at tax time. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you understand the process clearly. Let's begin with steps 1 and 2 of the W-4 form. First, provide your personal details like your name, address, and social security number. Then, select your filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. If you have more than one job, or if you are married and your spouse also works, you must complete step 2 to ensure accurate withholding. This step is vital for preventing underwithholding throughout the year. Now, let's focus on claiming zero allowances. Step 3 is where you would typically claim dependents. To claim zero, simply leave this section blank. This ensures no dependent-related adjustments reduce your withholding. In Step 4A, you can account for other income, like interest, that isn't subject to withholding. For even more withholding, you can specify an additional dollar amount in Step 4C. Finally, it's time to review and submit your W-4. Before signing, carefully check all the information you've entered to ensure it is accurate and complete. Your signature certifies that the details are correct to the best of your knowledge. Once signed and dated, submit the form to your employer's payroll or human resources department. They will then adjust your federal income tax, withholding according to your selections, typically within 1 or 2 pay periods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.